Hey guys! Okay, so today, as you can see by the title of this video, we got a package. It's from Toywiz. I ordered the Zoura and zoura plushes, so let's get this open. Ooh! The zoroark. Zoroark is my favorite Pokemon, by the way, guys. Zoura, he looks so cute. Look at that. Okay, I'm trying to see Zora. Ooh, Zora. And Zora looks pretty small, as you guys can see. Now, a lot of people have been complaining that it was a bit too small for them, but I'm not complaining about the size, but they look really cute, don't they? Also, I did an Inkling Boy unboxing of the Splatoon 2 Inkling Boy unboxing video previously, but like over the years or something like that, and that has now 1,093 views. Yeah, I'm surprised it's doing that well. And the tag, it looks so cute. Yeah, I love the tag so much. And also, I'm gonna keep collecting more plushes, and also the Piranha Planet Amiibo will be coming very soon. I'm very excited to get it. After all this time, I couldn't get it. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I know this is kind of short, but this is all I have for now. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I really appreciate it because I upload once or twice a week, and let's reach 300 subscribers. Follow our social medias on Twitter and Instagram so you guys can see additional content from us. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. That was about snap. Whatever. Bye.